Hold on one second. I need to make money drawing lines. How would you like to see some draw money right here? Type in draw money if you're excited to make money. I'm gonna actually show you two methods you can make money drawing lines. This sounds hypey, this sounds too good to be true, this sounds like a scam, but this is real stuff. I'm gonna show you in this video two ways you can make money drawing lines. Now you're not gonna make a lot of money. You can make like $5 maximum, but you literally make money drawing lines. I'll show you the two sites on my computer. Let's have some fun and type in draw money if you're getting excited about this, because I mean anybody can do this. So let's get into it. That is some line money right there. And I heard about this method and I tried it out. I didn't think it would work. And what's funny is when I got started back in 2012, I met my mentor actually, he's a highly successful guy, and I remember him telling me exactly what to do. He said, hey, post up an ad sort of like this on these keywords on Google. I thought the advice he gave me was like way too simplistic. I was like, there's gotta be more to it than that, right? This is back in 2012. This was my first success, okay? And I just thought, you know, is he fooling me? This is silly. You know, it's not that simple. I can't put up like, he just told me an ad and he said put it up on this keyword. Like, it can't be that simple. And I remember just thinking to myself, yes, he had tens of millions of dollars. Yes, he is one of the most successful affiliate marketers in the world at the time. Yes, he had a lot of things going for him, but for whatever reason, and it was my own fault, you know, it was my own mental brain kind of spinning. You know, I thought he had to be sitting there with me and being like, John, here, let me show you. Like, look, you're going to move this. I thought there was going to be some like mind-blowing moment, right? Where I was like, whoa, okay, whoa, I didn't know you could do it that way. But what he told me was just super simple. And it wasn't even like he told it to me. I sent an email to him and he replied back and he said, put this type of ad on this keyword. And I didn't do it because I thought it couldn't be that easy. And later on, though, about 2 months later, I ended up actually taking action. I said, oh, what the hell? Somehow he was brought to the top of my mind again, and I did it. And it worked. That allowed me to quit my job. I replaced my $6,000 a month income with a $25,000 a month affiliate commission. I replaced a 50-hour-a-week job that I had to drive to about an hour or so each way with a $25,000 a month income that I could do from home. And it just seemed unreal. And I spent a lot of money, right? Because I didn't I was like, this is silly, I'm making this much money. But the point being, sometimes it's the most ridiculous things in life. Just because it seems too good to be true doesn't always mean it is. So in this video, I'll be showing you draw money. Now the site we're gonna be working on here is called Fiverr, okay? Fiverr.com, you can see it right here, Fiverr.com, Fiverr with 2 R's right there. What we're gonna look for is remove background images. Now, this is a really easy thing to do, and what you'll see is I'll cut out or background remove of a large number of images, okay? This is for a large number. Let's check this one. I will remove your image's background. Okay, and you see this person has, you know, done at least 75 orders. They have 2 orders today. So let's just assume they get 2 orders a day for $5. Okay, $5 for removing images. Now you might think to yourself, you might need, you know, oh, John, I can't do that. I need photo editing skills. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do this for free or for cheap. So we go over here and we're gonna use a really special tool. It's called Clipping Magic, okay? Instantly remove image backgrounds online with just a few clicks. And let's bring up an image here. I just dragged and dropped an image onto the thing. And first off, I'm gonna wonder, can anybody guess who this image is? I'm gonna tell you in a second, and I'd like you to post in the chat if you got, yes, you got it correct, or no, you got it wrong. Okay, or you could say right or wrong. This actually image is me. This is when I used to work corporate. I had some headshots taken to look good on my resume. And This was me before I did marketing. I cut my hair close, I shaved close, and I wore a suit. Now, the way this software works is you draw in green what is good, and then you go up here and you select the yellow icon right there, what you don't want. So see how it's already kind of separated into areas? And then, you can say subscribe to download. Okay, so download result. Now, the way this software works is this will cost $4 a month, okay? You get lots of credits to do lots of images, but $4 a month. Now, you don't need to buy this software at first. What I wanted to do was show you how it works and how well it works. You saw how the image gets done instantly, and you can see the preview of what it looks like. It will have the background removed. So what I want you to do is, if you want to make money doing this, post up a job on Fiverr and offer to remove people's images, because your first job will pay you back for the cost of the software. Does it make sense? You only need to sell one job and then you've made back the money for the software. Then every other job you do of background image removal, you are profiting, and it's pure profit and you make money. So if you are like this person right here, where they are getting, let's say, 2 orders a day, that means you will make back your money. Let's say you're doing this every day, so 30 days in a month times 2 minus $4 cost of software. So you're making $56 for spending a couple minutes of working each month. This is a good way to just get some extra money on the side. How long did that take? It took me a minute, 2 minutes. Just another way to add in some extra money, but wait, it gets better, because I'm going to show you how you can get your own jobs doing this. I'm also going to show you another place that you can farm out the work for pennies on the dollar, even cheaper than $4. So you can actually promote your own Fiverr listings when you create your own job on Fiverr, which you would do by just typing in this, become a seller, right? You can get the link to your job and you can promote it yourself. Now, I show in my other videos a lot of free traffic methods that you can use. But let's go to Facebook here, and oftentimes the people who actually need image background removal services the most are people who have physical products that they're trying to sell. So let's say, here's some essential oils I use. It's called doTERRA, right? Peace. And people who are selling products online, oftentimes they want that background removed. It's people who are selling on Shopify or Amazon. So what the best place to reach them is look for a group such as Amazon FBA. And we say Amazon FBA Marketing Secrets. We have 15,000 members here. Join this group and send a message out about your post. Here's 53,000 Amazon FBA members. Join this group and put a message saying, does anybody need background removal services for their product images? Share your link, or just have them message you. Here's another Amazon FBA group, 51,000 members. There's hundreds of thousands of people that you can get in front of with just a touch of a few clicks to share your jobs. That'll make you $5. And before you know it, you can be getting traffic. You can be a big seller on Fiverr. You can be getting your own jobs. You can let Fiverr get jobs for you, and you can have a business that really takes almost no work. I mean, look how easy that was. I would have just made $5 and I drew 3 lines. The next way you can actually get the work done, let's say you want to get the work, somebody else to do the work, is you can actually go to a site called Mechanical Turk. This is an Amazon site, Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's mturk.com, mturk.com, and you can access people who will actually do this for you for a penny or 2 pennies or 5 pennies to remove background images, and you can sign up as a requester right here, or you could even just do the jobs for a couple pennies for other people if you wanted to. So that's another way that you can have the images done if you don't actually even want to have to draw the lines yourself. So it gets pretty crazy. Now, if you want to learn about more free traffic methods to get traffic to your Fiverr posts, or to whatever, your affiliate links, if you're learning affiliate marketing from me as well, make sure to check out the playlist, Free Traffic Methods. It's somewhere, I don't know, it's somewhere on the screen. But check out that playlist, because I go over free traffic methods of how you can get people to engage with your jobs or with your affiliate links or with your products if you're drop shipping or doing whatever. It just works on a massive scale. And you'll see how when you start actually going through that playlist. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you got something out of this, type in draw money. Again, if you're gonna try this out, I'd love to know. Type in draw money in the chat because I wanna see you making money. I wanna see you making some draw money. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more ways to make money using the internet and using affiliate marketing. Add the notification bell and talk to you soon.